Namaste dear children, welcome to class 2 English subject. In the previous class I had started the exercise part of the lesson, the golden bucket, and in today's class I am going to discuss the next main question in the exercise part of the lesson, the golden bucket. Okay. Page number 53. Listen carefully. K main question. Your teacher will read out some hints. Circle the correct words. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 number words are here. Each number contains two words. You need to circle the correct word. I am going to read some hints now. By listening to those hints, you need to tick the or circle the word. First hint: a number that rhymes with fine. Okay. See first one in this, a number that rhymes with fine, that is 9. Second one, a piece of jewelry worn on the finger. A piece of jewelry, it is ring. Third one, we listen to it and laugh, that is joke. Fourth one, an animal of the desert, that is camel. Fifth one, a month of the year, that is August. Sixth one, not afraid of anything, answer is brave. And clever is intelligent. Sunday is a name of a week. Lion is in jungle. These are the K main question. And next main question, L main question. Speak well. Read the example and talk to your partner. You. May I come to your house this evening? Partner. Sorry, I have to go out with my mother today. See, this is a speaking practice. You may use these questions. You may ask these questions. First one, may I borrow your book? Second one, may I use your pencil? Third one, may I keep this photo? Fourth one, may we go to the playground? These are the questions you can ask to your friend, and your partner or friend will reply answer to your question. This is for speaking practice it is. Ask these questions once to your friend and get the answer. Then it is you will remember these questions and you will use these questions in the conversations whenever you need. So practice it. Next main question, write well. M main question. Imagine you are John. You want to tell your friend about the old man. Write 5 sentences about what happened. M main question. First one. See, First sentence, one day I went into the jungle to pick berries. Okay. Second, third, fourth, fifth, I have written here answers. Second one, there I saw an old man with an empty bucket. Third sentence, I gave my bucket to him and he gave me his. Fourth sentence, I found out that the bucket was made of gold. Fifth sentence, when I went to return the bucket, the old man turned into a fairy and gave the gold bucket as a reward for my kindness. So write these sentences in your textbook. If you want, I will send it to your WhatsApp group. Next main question, do and learn. N main question, talk to your partner. If you had a magic bucket, what would you ask for? If you had a magic bucket, what would you ask for? ನಿನ್ನ ಹತ್ರ ಮ್ಯಾಜಿಕ್ ಬಕೆಟ್ ಇತ್ತು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ನೀನು ಏನು ಕೇಳಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತೀಯಾ ಮತ್ತು ಯಾಕೆ? ವೈ, ಯಾಕೆ? ವಾಟ್ ವುಡ್ ಯು ಆಸ್ಕ್ ಫಾರ್? ನೀನು ಏನನ್ನು ಕೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಿ ನಿನ್ನ ಹತ್ರ ಗೋಲ್ಡನ್ ಬಕೆಟ್ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ರೆ. Do and learn. Okay, talk to your partner or your friends or in your family members. You can ask and you can wish for anything you want. Now the golden bucket will give you whatever your wish is. Then imagine and wish for anything you want and tell the reason why you want that one. This is do and learn. Next page, life skills. Mummy and Papa do many things for you. Tick write the things that you can do for them. Share with the class any other thing that you do for them. This is life skills. These are, if you tick right here, you need to do it in your home. First sentence, put the vegetables in the fridge. This you can do for your parents, mummy and papa. Okay, you are helping mother in the kitchen then if you put the vegetables in the fridge. Second one, arrange your books neatly. If you arrange your books, you are indirectly helping your mother. Tick write it. Third one, put the dirty dishes in the sink. No, dirty dishes you must not put in the sink. Okay, na, ask your mummy where to put those. Fourth one, fold your clothes. Folding your clothes, you are indirectly helping your mother and your father too. Fifth one, keep your shoes in place. Yeah, keep your shoes in place, then you are helping your both mummy and papa. Tick right. And third one, don't tick right. 1, 2, 4, 5, tick right. These are life skills. You need to do these. Next one, values. Kindness. Every time you do a kind action or say a kind word, you make a friend. Every time you do a kind action or say a kind word, you make a friend. Your words makes a friend. Your action makes friends. You can show kindness by being polite, by helping each other and by not making fun of others. ಬಹಳ ವಿನಮ್ರತೆಯಿಂದ ಶಾಂತವಾಗಿ ವರ್ತಿಸುವ ಮುಖಾಂತರ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಶೋ ಕೈಂಡ್ನೆಸ್. ಈ ಕೈಂಡ್ನೆಸ್, ಕರುಣೆ, ಪ್ರೀತಿ, ವಾತ್ಸಲ್ಯ ಅದನ್ನು ತೋರಿಸಬಹುದು. ಪೊಲೈಟ್ ಬಿಹೇವಿಯರ್, ಸಭ್ಯ ವರ್ತನೆ, ವಿನಮ್ರ ವರ್ತನೆಯಿಂದ, ಬೈ ಹೆಲ್ಪಿಂಗ್ ಈಚ್ ಅದರ್, ಮತ್ತು ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡೋ ಮುಖಾಂತರ, ಅವನಿಗೆ ಬೇಕಾದನ್ನು ಕೊಡೋದ್ರ ಮುಖಾಂತರ, ಬೈ ನಾಟ್ ಮೇಕಿಂಗ್ ಫನ್ ಆಫ್ ಅದರ್ಸ್. ಅವನಿಗೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ, ಅವಳಿಗೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಅದು ನೋಡಿ ನಗಬಾರ್ದು. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಮೇಕಿಂಗ್ ಫನ್. ಇಫ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ ಡೂಯಿಂಗ್ ದಟ್, ದೆನ್ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಮೇಕ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್. ಯುವರ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ ಲೈಕ್ಸ್ ಯು ವೆನ್ ಯು ನಾಟ್ ಲಾಫ್ at them, when you not make fun of them, then they will become friends. And last part in this lesson, class project. Divide the class into groups of 4. Each group will enact the play The Golden Bucket. Now discuss with your partner. Okay, you need to enact the play. Enact the play means ಅಭಿನಯಿಸೋದು, ಈ ನಾಟಕವನ್ನು ಅಭಿನಯಿಸೋದು. ಇನ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್, ಗುಂಪಿನಲ್ಲಿ. ಎನಾಕ್ಟ್ ದ ಪ್ಲೇ ದ ಗೋಲ್ಡನ್ ಬಕೆಟ್. ಈ ಗೋಲ್ಡನ್ ಬಕೆಟ್ ಅನ್ನೋ ಈ ನಾಟಕವನ್ನು ನೀವು ಅಭಿನಯಿಸೋದು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ಗಳ ಜೊತೆಗೆ. ನಾವು ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ವಿತ್ ಯುವರ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನರ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್, ಹೂ ಪ್ಲೇಡ್ ದ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಜಾನ್ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ enacting, you need to discuss these questions. Who played the best old man? Who played the best narrator? Who played the best mother? Four of your friends must enact this one. One must John, one must man, old man, one must a mother, one must as a fairy. Here narrator. Okay, narrator lines also here. Some lines are narrator's lines. Narrator means kate heluvavanu. This is, if you enact, these questions will apply, or otherwise these are not applied to you. And here ends the lesson, The Golden Bucket. Next poem is Pretending. I will do it in the next class. Children, be safe, take care of yourself, be safe in your home. धन्यवाद.